Hola chica, so we're just gonna have a look. This is your last assignment slash assessment that I want you to do. So this is going to be it's just an oral recording I'm going to get you to do. And I'm just going to give you a few ideas of what I want you to do on this oral recording. So this is going to be the last bit of your assessment. The reason I decided to go with an oral recording is as in next year as part of your CBA, you will have to hand up a portfolio of two written pieces and one oral recording. So you have already done two typed up written pieces for me, and this will be your oral recording. So it'll help with CBA too, and also this will be your oral recording, so we'll have nearly all of that done for next year, and it's a good way to practice your speaking as well. So this is what I want you to do as part of your oral recording. Okay, there's a few different elements to it. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to aim for 2 to 3 minutes, and I have just included some topics here that you can use to base it around. Okay, so the first thing I think is introduce yourself. Okay, you can say me llamo, tengo, whatever, 14, 15 años, soy alta, inteligente, divertida. Remember, chat about your hair now. Tengo los ojos azules, tengo el pelo, whatever, marrón, rubio, whatever you want. Loads of details there about yourself. I'm not going to give too much information because I want you to come up with most of this yourself. Next thing I want you, and already you can chat about on your recording here is talk about your family. So, for instance, somos, closer. So, for instance, somos whatever, cinco en mi familia, mi madre, mi padre, whatever. Yeah. Me llevo bien con, who do you get on well with? Me llevo bien con mi hermana, me llevo bien con mi madre, no me llevo bien con mi padre, whatever. Then we talk about one person in detail. Mi padre se llama, tiene, whatever, 40 años, es alto, tiene los ojos. So think about all those details there you can talk about there with your family. Okay, so that's another idea. I thought about this one here. Talk about your best friend. So maybe think about your best friend. So mi mejor amigo if it's a boy, or amiga if it's a girl. Se llama whatever. Es alto or es alta. Remember, don't mix up your O's and your A's. Okay. Es guapo, guapa. Tiene whatever 15, 14 años, whatever. Tiene el pelo, tiene los ojos, we're talking about their hair and eyes. What do you like to do together? Nos gusta salir. We like to salir, go out. Nos gusta ir de compras. So think of all those details there that you could pull in for this one about your best friend. So that's another idea. You'll get maybe another 20, 30 seconds out of that if you want it. Another idea I thought you could bring into this oral recording if you wanted was mi rutina, my routine. We did this recently. You talk about your me routine durante la cuarentena, during the quarantine. So think about, like, me levanto a las, what time me levanto a las 7, me ducho, maybe me pongo mi ropa, hago mis deberes, hago ejercicio. Think of all those things that we've looked at there. So think about stuff you could put in for your routine as well. There's loads you could put in for that there. Okay. Then I thought about as well, chat about your mi barrio, mi pueblo. So we're just this chapter we're kind of looking at the moment. You can say mi pueblo, mi barrio se llama whatever letter Kenny. What is there? Hay un cine, unos restaurantes, loads of things. We did a written piece on this quite recently. There's loads you could pedal into this as well, okay? Hay un parque, you list off the things in mi barrio, in mi región, whatever. Okay, so that's another idea. And I didn't put it down here, but you could also put in, chat about el clima, you could chat about the weather. In primavera hace frío. In spring, it's hace frío, yeah? Llevo un abrigo, I wear a coat. Me gusta, I don't know, ir al gimnasio porque hace frío. Yeah. You can say, en verano, cuando hace sol, me gusta ir a la playa. En invierno, or sorry, in otoño and autumn, cuando hace, I don't know, fresco, yeah, me gusta dar un paseo. I like to go for a walk. So you can chat about your weather there as well. This is completely open scope. I purposely have left this quite vague because I want you to talk about whatever you want. Okay, so anything we covered in the book. These ideas like introduce yourself, mi familia, mi mejor amigo, mi rutina, mi barrio, mi pueblo, they're purposely left kind of open for you. So I want you to try and You try and talk as much as you can for 2 to 3 minutes, and these are just ideas. If you want to go another way, you completely can. As if it's about maybe that I seesaw you about myself, maybe that me routine, whatever are those. Okay. I think even in the chapter 12, we chat about mi desayuno. We did a little bit about breakfast as well. El desayuno, you could bring that into it. I've purposely left this quite open to give you some room to put in whatever you want, okay? So aim for 2 to 3 minutes. One bit of advice is try and talk about different topics. Don't spend the 2 to 3 minutes about me llamo, tengo, soy. Try and talk a little bit a few different topics. You don't have to talk about all these topics, but don't spend 3 minutes just chatting about yourself or 2 3 minutes sobre mi familia, about me family. Try and cover different topics. And once again, this one is just ideas. Another one just popped in my head. I forgot about it. You chat about mi pasatiempo. Me gusta bailar. I love to dance. Yeah. Hago clases de baile. I do class dances. Talk about your favorite pastime as well. Or mi programa de televisión favorito, my favorite TV program. Anything at all you can add in to us, the better. Okay. So completely open scope. 2 to 3 minutes. If you record it on your phone, you can upload it to me, okay? Don't go over 3 minutes. 3 minutes is the max, so 2 to 3 minutes, and completely up to you. If you don't want to record it on your phone, there's a nice website here called Voc. That's it there. Just going to show you this. This website here is really handy, and as an online voice recorder, you can use that as well to record. You can do it here on your laptop if you want, but otherwise a voice recorder is it. You just you press the button to start recording, and then you just upload it. Then so that's another option if you want to use that as well. Okay. So good luck with that. If you have any problems, manda me un correo. And this is our last assignment in our last class, so hopefully we'll see you all in third year when normality comes back. Muchas gracias.